What's up, beauty bosses? Welcome back to my channel. I want to start by saying thank you guys for coming back, watching my channel, giving me some thumbs up, likes, subscribers. Thank you guys for following me over on my social media. I just wanted to take a quick second to say that I appreciate you guys. And I know you guys have been waiting on a beauty product of the week, so I will not delay. This beauty product of the week is something that I've been using, I want to say about 4 weeks, and I use it in the evening time after I've done all my skincare routine. You know, that's you're washing your face, that's your toning, that is exfoliating, that's doing whatever your night skincare routine is. And this is the last item that I use before bed, and it is Estee Lauder, the Night Repair Serum. So this here is like some liquid gold. So what it does is it's actually called Advanced Night Repair. And what it does is this serum that you put on before you go to bed, and it like gives you like an automatic like facelift reconstruct of your face overnight. I told you guys before, I give it a couple of weeks to try it before I just jump in and say that I really like something. But this being added to my night care routine has made a total difference. Just because I've noticed that it's made my face tighter. It's helped with correcting any dark marks. I wake up every day feeling refreshed and smooth. And I feel like every day I just have like a new tightening on my face when I get up in the morning. Not a bad thing. Now, Estee Lauder has been around for a long time. Like my family has used Estee Lauder for forever. So it has come highly recommended. And I never really tried it just because I was like, I'm going to stick with Clinique because I love Clinique products. But this definitely taken my nighttime skincare routine like to the next level. Really with this, less is more. You don't even have to use a whole lot to get the full effects. So like I said, I've been using it for about 4 weeks and I really do like it. I feel like how it differs from, let's see, I've used a couple of different nighttime routines, but how this one differs is I definitely feel it like immediately. After using it, I definitely noticed that it was an automatic change. And I also noticed that my face felt like automatically tighter even after like the first couple of days of using it. This also is good for all skincare types. You guys know I tried to do something that ranges from everybody's skincare type just because, you know, a lot of people say, yes, this works, it's amazing, but it could only be used for like dry skin, and they don't tell you that. So here you go having oily skin and you put on a product and it makes it like 10 times more oily. So definitely did not want to do that. I wanted to give you guys something that can range from all different skincare types, and I definitely feel like this is it. You can get this from Estee Lauder. You can get this, I believe, from like Nordstrom's and Macy's and even Sephora. Now the issue is it's pretty pricey. It's about $75 to $80 depending on where you go. But let me tell you that it is so worth it. Like I really feel like it's totally worth the buy. Just because it, like it says, it is like a whole night repair. Like it is, like I said, getting a facelift overnight. So highly recommend this. If you can squeeze it into your budget, I would say do so. And I don't know if this actually comes in testers because, you know, I always say to get the testers first. So if you guys can find a tester, I would definitely try it first just to see, just to make sure that your skin does not have any kind of reaction to it. But I would for sure test it out if you have that option to do so. So I just wanted to get on and rave about this because it has been amazing in my life, and I'm so happy that I found it and listened to the recommendations that I had been seeing. Also, read reviews, people. That is another lifesaver. Like I know I review things for you guys, of course, but how I find stuff is I read reviews. Like I go through and read the reviews because they're so important, because I could be telling you this other beauty blogger could be telling you, we could all be like, yes, 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 but there are some mixed reviews in everything that you want to purchase. So I suggest doing your research and being educated before you go out and buy a product. Also, beauty starts from the inside out. So it is also taking care of ourselves, taking care of our vitamins, taking tons of water, giving our skin, that protection, no matter what kind of skin we have. giving our skin that protection and just taking care of ourselves from the inside out, because again, like I always say, it should be my motto by now, is this is the only skin and body that we have, so we need to take care of it. So I wanted to jump on, tell you guys about this amazing beauty product of the week. I will link it down below. Again, I thank you guys for subscribing, tuning in, hitting the little post notifications, finding me on my social medias. That's Asia Ray Cosmetics. And I just truly appreciate you guys, and thank you guys for being on this journey with me. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Peace.